Evening, everyone. It's 7:05, and this is your Sunday night weekly update on the gold, and it is video number 844. And as always, I remind you, if you like the work, please hit that subscribe button. Okay, so the gold had a decent week last week, and it's down just slightly, $2.50. That's where it opened. This is where it's been. It's got really no range on it. 1807.60 to 1808.80. So very quiet. It looks to me like it is consolidating here above this last bit of supply before we made the low. This is a formation that I really like on a regular basis because anytime that we get a consolidation over a previous resistance area, an area of supply, it generally portends more of a move to the upside. So that's what I'm looking for there. I'm thinking in the neighborhood of 1735, 1740 as a first stop. That would be right around the convergence here of the 50 and the 200-day MA. As you can see on the 5-day, we're already through the 100 and we crossed through the 20 on Friday. Essentially, that would be a reversal of trend. So from a downtrend to an uptrend. Okay, as far as the rest of the markets, there's really not a lot going on. The oil is up 24 cents. Nat gas is down a little under a penny. The stock futures are basically slightly higher, 275 in the S&P, 22 and a quarter in the Nasdaq, and 19 in the Dow. You have to remember that we also will have fair value. I don't know what it is tonight, but it could turn it positive or negative. The Bitcoin had a nice rally and it opened up again. As I mentioned in my charts with comments, it looks like it's trying to make this 32,000 area a base of support instead of the 28 to 30,000 that we bottomed out at here. This was 30,340. This was 28,840. This was 32.2. So, if we can hold here and break above the 20-day again, that would, of course, take the 5-day through it, and that would be a move to the upside. Excuse me, and we actually have a fair amount of range until we get up to that 38 to 40,000 that turned it down the last time. As far as the bonds go, they were down a little. They are down a little. The low is 162 and 11/30 seconds. The last is 162 and 17/30 seconds. So, really not a lot of action here. We did spike up. We now are below the 5-day. But it'll take, after this big rally, it'll take a bit to roll that 5-day back over, if in fact that's what's going to happen. Look at the weekly, and you see, just another spike. We've seen them before, and none of them have held, so we'll see. All right, everyone. I'll be back first thing in the morning with my pre-opening comments. Remember, this week is the beginning of earnings season, and we have several of them coming tomorrow and Tuesday and Wednesday in the banking sector. So that can be disruptive, but as you know, I don't really like to play anything that's involved in earnings. All right, everyone, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll be back first thing in the morning.